So let's start, beta. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in the erstwhile Madras state. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born into a middle class family. Okay, middle class family में born हुए थे. And secondly, where he was born? In the island town of Rameshwaram in the former Madras state. So erstwhile means former. Fine. Now next. My father, Janula Abdeen, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. So his father's name was Janula Abdeen. So he had no formal education nor he had wealth. But इसके बावजूद भी what he had? So he had a great inborn quality, and that was wisdom. Wisdom here means the intelligence, or you can say having a very good experience of things, also to understand and to tell about what is right or wrong. Fine. So his father had an inborn quality. Here innate means natural quality, that is already inborn. Fine. And a true generosity of spirit. So here generosity of spirit means that he was very kind, he was very humble towards other, he was always ready to help others whenever they were in need. Okay. In short, you can say that Abdul Kalam's father was a very nice person, he was very good, he was very gentle and had a good sense of understanding. Okay. Also, he knew what was right or what was wrong for his family. Fine. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Ashima. So his mother's name was Ashima. I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day, but I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Now he says that he really don't know how many people came and ate at his house. Fine. But he was quite sure that the outsiders were more than one can think of. They ate more than his family could have eaten together. Fine. So with this we can understand that his mother Ashima was a sweet and a kind lady, as she used to feed many people, and that too every day. Fine. Till here we can say that Abdul Kalam's both father and mother were really nice and sweet people. They were always ready to help the people in need. Fine. I was one of many children, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, born to tall and handsome parents. We lived in our ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. It was a fairly large pakka house made of limestone and brick on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. My austere father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine or clothes. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. Now in this, so Abdul Kalam says that he was a short boy with rather undistinguished looks. So here undistinguished means not attractive, not very handsome. Fine. So here he means to say that he was a short boy, he was not very handsome, and on the contrary, he was born to tall and handsome parents. So he says that my parents were really beautiful, they were tall, so they looked really amazing as compared to me. Fine. We lived in our ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. So he lived in the house which was built in the middle of the 19th century, and it was a fairly large pakka house made up of limestone and brick. So the house was a large pakka house which was made up of limestone and brick. And where it was on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. Fine. Now next. My austere father used to avoid all the inessential comforts and luxuries. So here, austere means simple and strict. Okay. So he says that my father was a simple man. He was very strict and he believed to live a simple life. Fine. So that is why he used to avoid all the inessential comforts and luxuries. जो भी luxuries होते थे, जो भी कंफर्ट्स होते थे जो जिसकी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है उसको वो अवॉइड करते थे. हाउएवर ऑल नेसेसिटीज वर प्रोवाइडेड फॉर, लेकिन जो एक्चुअल जो बेसिक नीड्स होती है लाइफ की वो सारी हमारे पास थी. एंड दैट वाज इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड. फूड इज अ नेसेसिटी, सो दैट वी हैड. Medicine also is also a necessity, so we had that also. And clothes also. So we can understand that the basic needs of life, that is food, medicine and clothes, they were having all that, and that was really essential for them. And apart from that, they avoided every other thing. Okay, so he said that his father was a really simple person, and he used to avoid all the luxuries. Whatever the luxury items were there, whatever the comforts were there, he used to avoid as much as possible. But he really had a good life where he had sufficient food, he had sufficient medicine, and also clothing. Fine. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. सो अब्दुल कलाम सेज दैट जो मेरा बचपन रहा है, जो मेरा चाइल्डहुड रहा है, दैट वॉज वेरी नाइस, वेरी सिक्योर एंड वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव. एंड वेन आई कंपेयर मटीरियली एंड इमोशनली, हेयर ही मीन्स टू से मटीरियली, क्योंकि मेरे पास ज्यादा चीजें नहीं थी, मेरे पास ओनली बेसिक नेसेसिटीज जो होती हैं वो थी, एंड दैट वॉज वेरी नाइस फॉर मी. इट्स व्हेन आई एम कंपेयरिंग मटीरियली. लेकिन जो चीजें होती हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों के पास बहुत चीजें होती है, लेकिन मैं कम चीजों में मैंने अपने बचपन देखा है, एंड दैट इज वेरी नाइस फॉर मी. इमोशन, व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इमोशनली, दैट मीन्स आई हैव अ वेरी गुड बॉन्डिंग विद माई पेरेंट्स. मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ मेरी बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग थी. मैं इमोशनली अटैच था अपने पेरेंट्स से, एज एवरीबडी इज. सो दैट इज वाई जो मेरी चाइल्डहुड, जो मेरा बचपन रहा है, बहुत अच्छा रहा है. मैं लिमिटेड चीजों में रहा हूँ, मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा लग्जरी नहीं थी, क्योंकि वो हम लोग को उसकी नीड नहीं थी. हम लोग बहुत कम चीजों में रहे हैं, और इमोशनली हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टेबल रहे हैं.